How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can create flashcards in Gizmo. So the first thing that you want to do is to actually head over to your Gizmo AI right here, or the Gizmo dashboard inside your account. Now from here, of course, it's as easy as heading over to home. You then want to select the add button. We have choices. You simply want to select cards, click on continue, and if you want AI to create your content, you could just select that one. And then basically in my case, I'm just going to select something like Anki right here. And then you could just copy and paste the import text from your Anki. But if you don't have that, you could basically create your from scratch by choosing the second option. And then right after, let's say that you have this question on the front, and at the back, let's go ahead and type this one. Now you can click on save, and basically from there you are good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.